What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Drive Theory. In today's episode, we're going to be finally working on the Civic. Actually working on it today. As you can see, this concoction going on. And I also, whoever had this before me, they must have been colorblind or something. Shout out Nick. Because, I don't know, the colors were all mixed up. But the colors are to the right colors now, so it should actually work. Which would be nice. Oh, it's kind of warm in here. It was like 80 degrees end of March. Now it's April, and it's freezing outside. As you can see, this is going to be... The water in the damp rid is frozen solid. And there's a little bit of... Ew. So we're going to address that. I believe it is the cowl seal right here. And it's going down into the cabin filter and just dumping all over the floor. Because I did have tape across it, but over the winter the tape deteriorated and it's leaking again. So that makes sense to me. Look at that fucking dust on this thing. Holy hell. But yeah, so I'm gonna plug this in quick. We're gonna do that. And then I'm gonna start ripping the cowl apart. And we're probably gonna do some spring cleaning today. I'll show you then. I got shit everywhere. Gotta love it. Alright, that was a pain in the ass. I had to... Like, half of these clips are missing. It's still a little bouncy. But I had to, piece some together, make it work. It's in there for the most part. Oh, hazards. Yep, that works. Let's see. Oh, look at that! Holy shit. Crazy what happens when you put the wires in the right spot. I think this tablet's like a fifth of how much the car costed. It doesn't seem too bad. I don't know. Let me get Bluetooth connected. We'll see about some music. Alright, so I'm crashing out. This thing has... look, you can hardly even see the screen. I've touched it so many times. It just has no sound for whatever reason at all. I've double-checked every wire. There was a blown fuse up there. I think I got it in my pocket. I'll show you if I didn't lose it. Oh, she might be gone. Oh, there it is. Yep. So you see that? Yeah. That fuse not connected. So I was like, oh yeah, that'll definitely fix it. Nope. So I don't know what's going on. Oh, it's done factory reset. Moment of truth live. Let's see. Go on fucking radio. 107.4. Yep. This thing sucks. Awesome. Still doesn't work at all. That's just great. So, I guess it's just a piece of shit head unit. No, I'm gonna buy another one. But yeah. Alright, so that was fun. I had to stop the video because I was about to crash out. But this the head unit just doesn't have any sound for whatever reason. I guess it's a dud, I don't know. Yeah. I did end up... Oh yeah, I showed the fuse. I found a blown fuse. Didn't matter. It still just won't play sound. So, I'm gonna start taking this shit off so we can hopefully seal that back up. Because I'm tired of fucking sucking water out of it. Alrighty, I just got the seal taken off. I got that over there in a bucket, soaking in water. Gonna soak mint. There's Dawn in it too. It's not just water. Alright, I'm gonna pop this Johnson off. What the fuck is that? Oh, it's a clip. A broken clip. Huh. What the fuck? What is that? Is that tape or... I don't know what the fuck that is. Hey, there's a cabin filter. Doesn't look wet. Fucking man. Alright. I got this thing all cleaned up. Yeah, whatever. I was doing some water tests. It all goes down into the drain, so if this doesn't fix it, then it must be leaking from somewhere else. I've already cleared the sunroof drains and all of that. But yeah, let's get this thing on here, right? All right, look at that. YouTube magic, it's back on. It's actually like clean too. Yeah. This, if it doesn't stop leaking, then yeah, can go in that field. Oh yeah, I also put this wire back. I'd assume that's where it goes. It kind of, you know, leads to the shape, but you take a look at that. I kind of braided it back together, but it was just dangling in the fan, so you know. All right, it's been a little bit since I recorded. I'm done with that thing for the day. It royally pissed me off. So, as I said earlier, it's time for some spring cleaning. So, as you can see, we got bucket. Hey, there's an air filter, an alternator. Awesome. Cold air intake. At least that's actually labeled. Box, I don't know what's in there. Control arm. Yeah, that's... Last I knew that was filled with interior stuff. Who knows? That's sitting there. Alright, let's go. I plan on this being in the office at a future date. But the problem with that is, it's completely filled with shit. Some Chef Boyardee. I already started cleaning a little bit. You couldn't walk from here over. And you couldn't really walk through here either. Let me climb up here quick. Oh, that's moving. The other day I moved all the interior pieces from the banana up here. So that's cool. Let me know if you guys want to see a video of me attempting to turbo that thing. It's actually gas powered, not nitrous. It's gas. It's like a chainsaw engine, but a race car, for lack of better explanation. But that would be pretty cool. I gotta find the remote and everything for it though, so put down in the comments if you want to see that. I'll actually put effort into finding it. But yeah, so all of this stuff is gonna go eventually. And then we'll actually have some room in here. But okay. Stock wheels. What we got over here? Something. Yep. With poly mount for banana. I need to put that in. There's Mr. Felpro. Yeah, awesome. Another alternator. Charcoal. Oh, yeah. That's actually on the car. That's AI. You're not seeing that. 2 axles, because I get the wrong ones. Wheel bearing. Oh, that's what's in the other box in the garage, actually. Another wheel bearing. I don't know what's wrong with me. This is all brand new parts. I actually have this oil filter sitting out because I need to do the daily soon. But yeah, so I'm going to get started on that. I don't know. I might set up a time lapse, maybe like put you up here or something. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Alright, so I forgot to film an outro again. What a surprise. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I didn't get too much accomplished. That radio kicked my ass. It was... I don't know if you could tell when I was recording it. It was driving me nuts. And then after that, I didn't really want to do too much. But stay tuned for the next video. We're starting a new project. So I hope you guys are excited for that. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next one, and I'll see you guys later.